Hi, come read with me. This book is called Bert and Ernie's Spring Cleaning from Sesame Street. Look, Granny Bird, today's the first day of spring. The flowers are starting to bloom and the sky is so blue. It sure is, Big Bird. It's the perfect day for a walk. Mommy, I'm excited for the swap meet. Can you tell me what it is again? I sure can. A swap meet is an event for our community. We can swap or give away items that we no longer need to our neighbors. So if I have a book I've read 100 times, I could swap it for a different book I haven't read? That's right, Abby. A swap meet is like a treasure hunt where you can find all sorts of interesting and unexpected things. This is going to be so much fun. Hi, Abby. Hi, Maggie. What are you working on? We're preparing for the spring cleaning swap meet. Oh, how exciting! Granny Bird and I love going to swap meets. Can we help with anything? Yes, you can, Granny Bird. Thank you. How about you bake some of your delicious brownies and cookies? I'd love to. I'll also bring some birdseed smoothies. Yum! Thanks, Granny Bird. I can help pass out the flyers, Abby. Thank you, Big Bird. See you later. Thank you again. Bye. Hi, Bert. Hi, Ernie. If you're on your way back home, why don't you see if there's anything you want to bring to our Sesame Street spring cleaning swap meet? A swap meet? What's that? A swap meet is where we swap or give away items that we no longer need to our neighbors. Oh, I've never been to one before. I have. It's really fun. Look at everyone working so hard. Maybe some books. I could make room for a new cooking with oatmeal series I've had my eye on. I can't wait to see what old treasures we'll find. This is going way better than I could have thought. I'm finding a lot of things I can give away. Your box is empty, Ernie. Do you need help? Oh no, Bert, I'm okay. Rubber Ducky is helping me. If you need me, just let me know. Okay, I will. I think I know where I can find some forgotten treasures for the swap meet. Come on, Rubber Ducky. Ah, the coat closet. I'm sure I'll find some gems in here. Oh, hey, Bernice. Coo. What am I doing? Oh, I'm here looking for more items to bring to the Sesame Street swap meet. I'm going to swap some of my old stuff for someone else's old stuff. Then it'll be my new stuff. Coo, coo. I agree. It's pretty cool. Ha! These trusty binoculars have seen more than their fair share of bird watching, right, Bernice? Coo! And this old baseball cap would be good to donate too. I mean, there's got to be someone out there who can make some use of them, right? Coo, coo. Looks like I'm almost ready for the swap meet, Bernice. Ernie, are you okay in there? Thud. Coo. Here I go, Rubber Ducky. Whoa, this is tougher than I thought. You've got this, Ernie. Keep at it, Ernie. Don't worry, I've got you. I'll keep trying. Hey, I'm starting to get the hang of it. Look at me go. You're skating like a pro, Ernie. I knew you could do it. Ernie, how's it going? Have you found anything else to bring to the swap meet? No, not really, Bert. It's really hard for me to give away some of these things. They all bring back such good memories. The memories aren't in the things, Ernie. I love this book, and I want other people to love it as much as I do. I know, but these are special, Bert. Of course they are. I remember the day I gave you those skates. But just think about the joy they could bring to someone else. Plus, you haven't used those in a long time. You can make a new memory by giving them away. A new memory, huh? I never thought of that way, Bert. Why don't you come with us? You don't have to bring anything. Okay, cool. Look at all the things people brought for the swap meet. Twinkle, sparkle, nightlight glow, a new home here shall go. Whoa. Hi, Bert, Ernie, and of course, Rubber Ducky. So glad you could make it to the swap meet. Thanks, Maggie. We wouldn't miss it. Bert, you can set up your items right over here. We've got a perfect spot for you. Great. Thanks, Maggie. Ernie, are you not planning to go to swap Rubber Ducky, are you? Oh, no, Maggie. Rubber Ducky is just here to see the swap meet. And what about you, Ernie? I just remembered I forgot my box. I'll be right back. Whoa, a book about pianos around the world? Thanks, Freddie. And I can't wait to try these oatmeal recipes, Bert. Thanks. Look at this, Bernice. It's perfect for my cookbook collection. Coo, coo. Where did Ernie go? He's got to see this. Hey, have either of you seen Ernie? I haven't seen him, Bert. I think he went that way a while ago. Enjoy those sunglasses. Elmo feels like a superstar. Thanks, Ernie. Whoa, these skates look really cool, Ernie. They are cool, Gabrielle. I used to love roller skating in them. Do you know what would make them even cooler? No, what? If you had them. Wow, thank you, Ernie. I'm so excited to learn how to roller skate. Ernie, look, I found this amazing piano book. Isn't it great? Bert, that's fantastic. You'll be a piano expert in no time. You know, Bert, the swap meet was really fun. I liked giving my sunglasses to Elmo and my roller skates to Gabrielle. They were so excited. I did make new memories. I'm glad, Ernie. Let's walk around to see if there's someone you want from the swap meet, too. There's something else you want. You're doing a great job on those roller skates, Gabrielle. Thanks, Aunt Kayla. It's really fun. Hi, Ernie. Look, I'm skating. Thank you again. I'm so happy you like them. I'm proud of you, Ernie. Thanks, Bert. Me too. Come on, let's go home. I'll make us some oatmeal cookies and tell you about pianos made in Italy. Oh, great. Rubber Ducky and I will help. The end. Subscribe to our channel and come read with me.